Hello and welcome to this tutorial in which I will show you how to configure the design field zones. First, I'm gonna open Illustrator and open image. I'm going to start with this image. Okay. First of all, we are going to create the artboard like this. That will allow us to export just the image area. Then we can select the image, go to Object, then Image Trace, Make and Expand. This action will turn the image into path outlines like this. So we can use the path outlines afterwards to crop the images that the customer will add. So first of all, I'm gonna pick all the paths, then give them outline just for to be clear. Then pick the color black, for example. Go back to the layers. We can hide the compound path just to have the other paths more visible. Then using the selection tool, you can double click to be able to pick individual paths. Then you can hide or delete the paths that you don't need. For example, these small paths that we don't need them at all. We only need the bigger ones here. So I'm gonna delete. We also have these outer paths. We don't need them. Okay. So we only have these seven paths. Let's check. So one, two, three. We have another one. So six, seven. We have a path that. Okay. So it's this one here. Okay. So now we can export this graphic as a SVG. I'm gonna save as. At the same time, we have to check the number of the artboard. In this case, it's 02 and save as SVG. Use artboards and the range is only number 2. We can export it like this, then save. Then we can check it in the browser. Export. So now we have our SVG. We can import it here like this. Export. So now we have our outline which is imported. The module will detect the path elements and will add the plus sign so you can add the fields to the desired paths. You don't have to add all of them, but only the ones you need. I'm gonna add all of them for this demo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 fields. You can also edit the field. By default, it will stretch the image to fill the whole area. You can change that, of course. Now we can make sure it's the design fields are enabled. Then we can check the product page. So we have our paths outline. These are the zones. So the customer can easily import images. I'm gonna import a few images. So now I have imported all the images. When the customer hovers over any image, it will be completely shown like this. They can resize it like so and move it around. So this is how you can configure the zones. You can create the paths manually, but as you can see, if the image is quite simple, uh, and looking more like clip art, then it will be very easy to create the outlines automatically using Illustrator or any software of your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye.